Did you know that there's a HIV prevention method a woman can use once a month without anyone knowing? Yes, today we are going to talk about the PrEP vaginal ring, its side effects, where you can find it, and how you're going to insert it. The PrEP vaginal ring. Welcome to 3 Street, where we have conversations on real health, real life, real talks, and real parenting hacks and chaos, and everything in between. I'm your host, Koiwashira. PrEP ring. The PrEP ring is, I discovered about the whole thing like a month or two ago. It is now in Kenya, and it has been approved in Kenya. It is a silicone ring. I'm going to show you once I get it how it looks like and the size of it. According to my research, it is not uncomfortable. It's very comfortable. Even whenever you're having sex, you cannot feel it. But one thing, it's not gonna prevent you from getting pregnant. So you're supposed to be aware about those things. It does not prevent pregnancy. It cannot prevent other STDs, and you're not supposed to use it when you're pregnant. So you're supposed to take note of those 3 things. That you can only use it also when you're HIV negative, not when you're positive. And it works for, of course, it's in the vagina, so it's the woman protecting themselves from a man who is HIV positive whenever they're having sex. The silicone contains a drug called dapivirine, 25 mg. This drug is released slowly and works locally in the vagina. It is around 25 mg, so it will be released throughout the 28 days. And after 28 days, it's recommended that you change it and use another ring. So you're supposed to change that ring after 1 month. And it's also not recommended for you to remove it in the course of the month. You see the way you can use it for a week, or maybe you are sexually active for 2 weeks and you decide to remove it. The more you remove it from the vagina, the more it becomes less effective in your body. The reason also it has side effects, but very mild ones. The reason it has mild side effects is because it works locally. The dapivirine, it's NNRTI, the non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor. Yes. So that's the reason. It prevents the HIV enzymes from replicating in your body. Okay. What else have I left about the side effects? The side effects are the pelvic pain. You can also have discharge in your vagina, and there is also discomfort for the first 1 month. You'll feel a bit uncomfortable, but as time goes on, when you use it, I think it gets used to your body, so the side effects will disappear with time. Something else is there's also spotting a little for the first month, but with time it's not much. Yeah, basically that's it that I found out. You can find it in some of the government institutions in Kenya, and also I think Mary Stops, they have it in stock. You can go check it in case you're interested. But it's not available in pharmacies. You cannot get it over the counter in pharmacies in Kenya so far, but it's approved in Kenya and it's there in Kenya. So you have something that it's in your hands that you can protect yourself from. And I believe this information is helpful to someone who is out there. So please continue subscribing to my YouTube channel, like, share, and leave insights and comments. Tell me what do you think about this vaginal ring? Do you think it's going to help people? Is it going to prevent HIV infection from spreading in our country or even in the whole world, basically? And I believe in the medical world, I think we are taking things a notch higher, because right now we also have injections where people nowadays, there are no pills where you don't have to swallow your HIV pills every day. There's an injection. I think it's also found in a few institutions in Kenya. I'm also going to research on that and tell you where you can find it. You can find the injection that is being used by HIV positive patients. Thank you and adios. See you next time in my next video. Bye.